Hi, this video is kind of like a complimentary video for the tutorial that I shared a few days ago on how to make a mask with a smile. And it's basically just to show you how I separated the mouth from the teeth, which is part of the things that you need to do in order to create the smile in the way I did it. And this is also a good tutorial for those pictures that we want to kind of edit a little bit, so you can use this as a reference. So right now, for example, I will need to create one image that is going to have the lips only, and then a second one that is going to have the teeth only. So the first thing that we need to do is in Photoshop we open or look for the image that we already saved from Google or anywhere else, and then we use this tool. It's also located here. And then we click there and we start kind of selecting the areas that we want to remove. So right now, because we want to leave the teeth only, I'm gonna select all these areas, same here, and same this in here, and then the next step is go to image, adjustments, and then I have to select desaturate. Once I'm there, I go to refine edge, and then I'm kinda check here all of this, make sure the teeth are gonna show up. If you notice, when I didn't have these, the teeth were basically not existent, but now I have them there again, and I can check also the contrast if I want. And then I have to click on the contaminate colors, and then leave this option as it is, and then hit OK. So now if I go back here and I select all this area once again, and then I press delete, and there you go. I can delete this one also, and I have the teeth ready to go. And now I just have to save it. I'm gonna go to File, Save As, and then I'm gonna save it as teeth only, just to remember later. And then I change the format to be a JP, or I can also select a PNG. I'm gonna select a PNG because it's better to work with once I'm working on the design in design space. Then I hit save, and then OK. So now I have to do the same, but leaving the lips. So I'm gonna close this, and I'm gonna hit no, because these changes are for the image that I have originally, and I still need that one, so I'm gonna click no. This is another one that I was testing before, and this is also another one. I'm gonna hit no. So I'm going to File, Open, and I'm gonna look for the first image that I created. Let's see, the one that I saved, which is this one, and I'm gonna do the same again. So I'm gonna click here, click here, click here, click here, click here, and then I need the teeth. So I'm going all the way here, selecting each one. Okay, now I have everything selected. So I'm going to Image, Adjustments, Desaturate, Refine Edge, and then I'm going here and here, The teeth are still existing, but I can remove them later. So I'm gonna hit contaminate colors again, and then okay. So now I'm gonna go to the areas that I want to remove. So here, here, click here, and then now I hit delete, and I don't have those anymore. If I see still black areas, I can hit delete and just click there, then delete again until I don't see those sections. And now I just gonna remove these areas because I want it with our background. That way I don't have to do, I don't have anything to do. Oops, this one is selecting the loop, so I have to go here and then remove this. Okay, and then I'm gonna start again here. Yeah. A little bit more. And then here, delete. And then the last part here, delete. Now I have the lips. And all I have to do is save the image again, save as. And then I'm gonna save it as lips only. And save it as PNG. Save. Okay. And now if I go and look for those images, have the teeth only here. I click there, I only have the teeth. And if I look for the one that says lips only, I have it there. So this is basically what you need to do to have the images ready, and then you can go ahead and place them in the Design Space and follow the steps for my tutorial to get the mask done. Thank you.